Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all this summer wash and go that I did on my natural hair. I am starting off with freshly washed and conditioned hair, and as you all can see, I did leave a bit of water in the hair just to make sure that the products would go on easily. However, that is not enough water. For your wash and goes, you always want to have your hair almost soaking wet, meaning you just want a lot of water. This helps distribute the product evenly, and it helps you not add a whole lot of products on to prevent that flaking. I am going to end with my Honey Hydrate because your girl is trying this Be Girl Do Collection custard again, okay? Last time I tried this custard, it was very crunchy and hard, so this time I am applying a leave-in throughout my hair before adding the custard on top. And for another layer of protection, I am basically going in with a heat protectant that was sent to me probably a while ago actually. So that is kind of serving as an oil but also a heat protectant for my hair to also help the moisture and to prevent all of the crunchiness that happens sometimes with the custard gel. For your wash and goes, you always want to make sure that you detangle your hair before going in with the product. So this custard does have kind of like a jelly texture, and I am smoothing some of it onto my roots and working it throughout the hair. I will split my sections up to make sure that I am getting every single curl defined. I do prefer to use the smooth and raking method because this is just typically what works better for my hair. However, in some sections I will shingle, in which I will separate each individual curl. If I feel like the section is not clumping or getting defined like I would like it, I would add additional gel right on top. And what I have noticed with this gel is that sometimes after letting the hair sit for a while, the curls gets even more defined, which I absolutely love. With the Honey Hydrate, this is a product that you can apply underneath the gel, but if you are feeling that the section feels dry and a little bit crunchy already, you can go ahead and add a little bit right on top like I did. Here's what the back of my head is looking like so far. As the sections dry, they will experience a little bit of shrinkage, but no worries, we will be stretching our hair at the end of this video. In this section here, I would like to show you all how I typically shingle my hair in certain sections, and it easily makes the process go by kind of faster in terms of like defining the curls. But when you are shingling, you want to make sure that each single strand that you are separating is thoroughly hydrated, especially with the Honey Hydrate and even with the gel, to make sure that there's no frizz. Because I like to set my hair before sitting up under the dryer, I am going to add a little bit of gel to my edges, but I am going to apply the Honey Hydrate right on top. The Honey Hydrate is going to prevent it from becoming crusty and hard. Here's what my hair looks like once all of the curls are defined. I am going to sit up under my hooded dryer for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then I will finish the roots with my own handheld blow dryer. Here's what my hair looks like once it is 100% dry. I am going to shake my hair out because this actually kind of helps breaks the gel cast that is on the hair, but no worries. I am also going to stretch my curls with the blow dryer and using the banding method. You will need some scrunchies. I prefer satin or silk scrunchies and your blow dryer. I am gripping the curls at the end of my hair to not disturb the definition, but I am definitely stretching the roots out. I kind of count to 15 or 20 per section, and that is how I know that I am able to go ahead and stop stretching it, and then I can apply my hair tie. I'm only wrapping the hair tie around about 3 times and just making sure that I get that root and mid-length stretch to get actually extra length. If you notice any pieces in your hair that look white or they have like custard film on them, if you add the honey hydrate on top, it would actually take away that look of like white cast or white dust. It is actually not flakes, it is just the cast that the gel leaves behind. Because it is nighttime and I am not going anywhere, I am going to go ahead and tie my hair up with these ponytail pieces in, and I will put my bonnet right on top. It is the very next day, and all I have to do now is actually remove these hair ties and fluff out my hair. I will say that sometimes with the hair ties, you do have to really separate the curls in order to cover up those indentations. The indentations will actually fall out throughout the day, so no worrying about that. The only thing you really want to worry about is making sure that the ends of your hair maintain the definition that it needs to actually look like the best wash and go. I'm actually really in love with the volume and movement that I got from this wash and go. As always, I hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya!